said, and they provide the glitter. And this is scented paint. And yeah, I'm going to be using those two today. And yeah, my glue is going to be, white glue. And also, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get another glue too. So now you can. So yeah, guys, I went to also go get some more glue just in case, because this is also gone. And let me see if I have, my clear glue is also almost gone also. So yeah, that's just in case, if I need any more. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I do have a color wheel also. So I'm going to show you guys my color wheel. This is my color wheel. And I'm going to read you guys some of the stuff that's on it. I have white glue, clear glue, glitter, no glitter, scented, and it says choose. That means I get to choose whatever thing I want. I have crunchy, and I have glow in the dark, and I have activator, and I have G/C, and together, that means that that I can put those two together. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and spin it. So it's spent, and it says glitter. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and choose what glitter I should use. So since I'm a singer, I'm going to choose these little instrument notes. So yeah, let's go ahead and use that. I'm gonna use, just a little bit. So I put the instrument notes inside of it, and now let's choose another one. Oh, it says choose, so I'm going to get to choose. Since this is what I'm doing now, I'm going to choose it again, my instrument notes, because also I come from an instrumental, or I come from, a talented family. So that's from a talented family. And now I'm going to choose another one. I'm so silly. And it says glow in the dark, so now let's add some glow in the dark. I know, where did I put my glow in the dark? Oh, it's still in here. Wow. I got my glow in the dark. Oh yeah. So I'm also going to be using a little stick also without the balls on it. And yeah, so yeah. Let's add my glow in the dark. Sorry guys, I added stuff here. So yeah, now let's go ahead and yeah, you guys just take a moment to look inside. So I had already added the instrument notes, and I told you guys the reason why. And yeah, so yeah, and I also have glow in the dark. My stuff is in here, and I put the thing inside. So yeah, now let's go ahead and pick another one. Okay, so now it says white glue. Just in time, I have to use both of them, because if I don't use both of them, they're both not going to activate. So yeah, let's try to get this out. So let me go ahead and also add my water, because if you don't add your water, it's going to go ahead and, be, yeah, it's going to be rippy and stuff like that. I just like seeing it flow like that, and it's very shiny. So yeah, let's see if I can get some of this stuff out of it. Or, you know what I can do? I can actually mix both of these. Let me try that. Being smart, people. Being smart. Very smart. So now, let's go ahead and we can shake this up a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of, water. And yeah. Here's one thing. When you're making slime and you don't have enough glue, don't add a whole bunch of water, because if you do, then you're going to hear like a noise, like you're going to hear noises like you're shaking up something that has, like that has, multiple noises, and you can hear the water. That's not what you want to hear, because when you shake glue regularly, you don't hear anything. So yeah, I added a little bit of water, and this is how my glue turns out. That's how you want your glue to turn out. Just like this, as it's regular glue too. So now that I'm done adding my glue, I can go ahead and add as much glue as I want, because I already got out my all the glue that's in there also. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add my glue. And there we go. I added some more glue. And now let's go ahead and go back to my color wheel. Alright, so now guys, it says to add some crunchy in it. So now, add the crunchy stuff inside. Yeah. So I added some crunchy stuff. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because it's blending inside with the white. And that's it, the little balls. So now, since we're done adding the crunchy balls, let's add something different and go back to the color wheel. So it says, oh, no crunchy, so I can't do crunchy. So it says white glue, so we gotta add some more white glue. There. So I added some more white glue, and yeah. Okay, so it says to add more glow in the dark paint. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I added it, and yeah. So now what's next? And it says clear glue. So basically we don't have any more clear glue, but as I said, we're gonna add some water in it. So yeah, go ahead and add some water. So see guys, I kind of messed it up a little bit because I added too much, water. And that was only a little bit of, glue. So yeah, that will be it. Alright, so, see, it says activator. So now we're going to go ahead and add some of this activator. It comes with activator, just to let you know. And yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do at least two more, and then we're gonna go ahead and activate it, because I think we already have everything, and then we're gonna see what slime this turns out to be, and yeah. Okay, so let me see. Hold on. Okay, so it says more clear glue. So yeah, since I'm gonna add some more, basically water, I have to add some more activator at the end. So it says G/C together. So that basically says that I have to add glitter with crunchy together. So let's add some glitter. Oh. And let's add some crunchy balls. So now I added my stuff. Now let's go ahead and let me see. This one will be the last one actually. I know I said more too. So I get to choose. Now I want to add some activator. That will be the ending of this thing. So now guys, let's go ahead and start mixing this thing together. I'm so excited to see what it turns out to be. So yeah. Okay guys, it's getting together. I don't want to spill it. So I'm trying to, activate it. It might not take everything, so yeah. See, I made a little bit of a spill. And guys, this is how my slime turned out to be. I am very impressed. This is a very beautiful color. Well, I do like the color. It's not really a color, and it's just white. And I love, like the color instrument notes. So yeah, guys, y'all can see. And yeah. I'm going to go ahead and take all my slime out and go ahead and put everything to the side. So guys, it's a little bit crunchy, but it's not going to be crunchy for maybe, some minutes because, it's basically, like I just made it, so it's not going to be, perfect when it first comes out. This is how I get all my activators to come out. Just squeeze the whole thing. And yeah, because you might have a little bit of too much of something. So you just squeeze it so that it can all go together. And yeah. So see? Now it's very, very nice. Alright guys. So guys, this is my slime. And I am very happy over what I made. And guys, now I'm going to end this video over here. And guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to totally subscribe down below. And share this with your family and friends.